Don't you know this time I get fire when there's no one else around? Me and you will offer silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain, listening to you harp about some soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you'll wake up one day, run to me, confess your love, but please just let me say that when I talk to you, off Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow to my heart. And I sound like good, but don't you feel it to confess I love you from the start? What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the room, wondering by the terrified love is driving me insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you, walk Cupid walk right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it too? Confess I love you from the start. Confess I love you, just thinking of you. I know I love you from the start.